Okay, top glove is always my favorite. Today you see a long black candle. Yeah, this is mean what? Buying or selling? You tell me. You tell me. This is buying or selling? Top glove. Selling, right? Selling. Everybody say selling, right? So it's very obvious. This is selling in top glove. So to buy, when do we get back into top glove? You can see that there is also a selling candle here. Okay, so whenever I see this kind of candle, okay, I want to get out of the stock. I need to reduce exposure because this to us is selling. So the only way to get back into top glove, if you have sold top glove, if you haven't buy top glove and you're interested to buy top glove, you look out for what I call the stopping volume. Okay, the selling must stop. This is what I mean by stop. This is what I mean by continue to sell. Okay, you take a look at this. This one, the volume is high. The volume is high and it continue to drop some more from 840 drop until 720. Same here, yeah. Same here. High volume, continue to drop. Okay, continue to drop. So once I see this first long black candle, I will not want to buy immediately. I will not want to tikam the low. No tikam for me. I want to buy with tactical. I want to trade tactically. I don't want to tikam. Okay, this is my money and this is your money, so we cannot tikam. Okay, tikam is like going to the casino, so we must play tactically. So now it has pulled back. So in terms of trading, it has pulled back. We need to see stopping volume, means low volume, and then the return of the buyer. Return of the buyer. You follow me? Return of the buyer with long white candle to signify that buyers step back into top glove. Okay, step back into top glove. And then what do? We wait. Okay, I am a little bit more kiasu and more kiasi. I wait upon the first white candle with high volume. I will wait for the next few candle and see what is it. If it is low volume, small candle, to me that is the sign that the buyers did not sell after they buy. And the next time when the volume surge again, that is the day I will buy top glove. Okay, so I've done it a couple of times in top glove before, so that is how we should trade it. Okay, similarly to Supermax. Okay, Supermax and top glove, I have held it since the COVID started. I think May, June period until now. Today I finally sold Supermax to lock in the profit. You can see that the volume is very high, candle is very black. Okay, the whole pattern of the buyer in control already cancelled out by this long black candle. Okay, so I have my own experience to share with you lah. So if I see this, okay, this is my sell rule. So if I see this, I don't sell. By the way, let me share with you this. Profit in the stock market is not by buying, it is by selling. Okay, so I got a lot of people ask me, hey, why do they sell so many shares? Why? Okay, let me show you first. This is my communication with the member. Okay, you can see that today VS Tech got profit, lock in profit, Supermax lock in profit, LC Titan lock in profit, Comfort keluar at break even. This one never make money, but never mind, never lose, also good. DNO also lock in profit. So today sell, everything is sell. Okay, over at Singapore side also sell today. Okay, you can see SDN sell, Riverstone sell. So because along the way I keep riding the trend. There must come a time when there is a reason to lock in the profit. Okay, so this is the thing that a lot of people do not understand. Just because you have been lucky, you every time you don't sell doesn't mean this time round it won't pull down the pants until 5 ringgit, you know. Okay, so whenever I see this, I respect the seller first. Confirm got more seller So if tomorrow it goes down back up, it's okay. Okay, because I still have a top glove, the only glove stock left in my portfolio. The rest of the glove stock I already reduced the exposure. Sell. Comfort, Supermax, HLD, all sell. Get rid of it. Okay, so that is what I mean the portfolio management. Okay, so this Supermax, right? So again, Supermax, after it comes down, take a look at this. Okay, after it comes down, usually with high volume, it will continue. Okay, there is a high chance that it will continue. Right, this one we get away with it. Okay, this one, if we never get away with it, and if you think that never mind lah, I loan you loan then tomorrow plop come down to 8 ringgit, 7 ringgit, then you start to ask, if I know I should have gotten out on the first day of coming down. You see, people always talk like that, right? So if you start to think like this, you need to change the way you approach the stock market. When there's a reason to sell, you get out first. Of course, the timing to buy is important. You don't you cannot be buying here when the market is going up. Yeah, by the way, there's a more proper way to buy. Remember this pattern? Okay, so you must have a proper way to identify the buy setup before you buy, so you don't buy too close or too high, so that when it starts to retrace, you lose money, or then no meaning. Okay, this is Supermax.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.